Hey guys, it's Brooke with WTI. If you have a toddler that you are currently potty training, you know the importance of getting some good undies for them so that you can make that easier on yourself and on them. I got this 8-pack of underwear by Simple Joys and they are so cute. Not only does my son love the little trucks design on these ones, but all of them are so nice and comfortable. I also love that they are tagless, so nothing's going to be scratching on him because nobody wants a tag in their underwear. I love the feel of them. They are so nice and soft. All of the stitching is very nice. It's not going to irritate his legs. I love that they have a no pinch elastic waistband and they are super soft, breathable cotton. Not only are these underwear super cute, they are also extremely comfortable and breathable, which I love for my son. If you're looking for some potty training underwears for your toddler, I highly recommend these, and that's my point of view.